morning, friends, and welcome back. I am currently in Tennessee. I am staying in Summertown, Tennessee at a very cute cabin Airbnb. I will be attending the Homestead conference at Rory Feek's Homestead tomorrow. I am so excited to be going there. So I thought I'd just take you guys around and show you my Airbnb and what I have to look out every morning when I wake up, because it is beautiful. So let's go for a little walk around here and see what all we can find. There is a herb garden up ahead, and we were told that we can go ahead and pick from it and add it to our breakfast or whatever we wanted to make some teas. So let's take a look and see what we got over here. It's definitely very beautiful and very calm and relaxing over here. I feel like I'm at home, so this was perfect Airbnb for us to get. Mom is here with me, and we're just gonna go exploring today because we don't have to be at the conference until tomorrow. So we're gonna utilize today to just go exploring and see what we can find around these areas. Well, good morning, friends, and guess what? We are at the Homestead conference here in Tennessee. So we just parked and we are gonna go ahead up to Sow the Land because we're gonna be helping out them in their vendor spot today, and then just kind of hanging out and seeing how everything goes. So let's get going. You excited, Mom? Yes, I am. At the very start of everything, and this is where they have all of the food vendors, lots of food trucks. The school, Rory's school, is over here. Homestead Hall is right here, and we're just gonna go do a quick walkthrough before it gets really busy and see all the vendors that we can see. And then I will be spending most of my day helping out Sow the Land with their booth while Jason and Lorraine talk to everybody. So let's go take a quick look at all the vendors, and then I'll put you guys on a time lapse for the rest of the day. Alright, so I've cited one of my favorite YouTubers as well, is Whispering Willow Farm, Jill. So of course I have to come over and check out her booth. Hopefully say hello. Told me she knows how to make these, so she's definitely gonna have to make me some now. Maybe I can get some plants in my house.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to meet you. Really?
I'm meeting Jill.
How are you doing?
Doing good, doing good.
Y'all from here?
I'm from Kentucky.
Okay.
I'm originally from California.
Whoa,
And then came here to Kentucky a couple years ago.
Awesome.
And
Do you
started
love it?
farming. I love it.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it.
I know we know a lot of people who's moving away from California. Yeah.
Yep. So
We just had family stay from Colorado this week, and they were in Kentucky, and they were just talking about how beautiful it is, and they would even consider moving there. I was like, okay, I have not ever thought about Kentucky, really.
It's beautiful.
And they said it's just beautiful
It is.
landscape, yeah.
We're in eastern Kentucky, so the hills, the mountains. If you go to the flat, it's still pretty, but
Not the
I
same.
love the mountains and the hills.
Yeah. You
I've
guys
been following you forever.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Did y'all come last year?
I didn't.
Man,
No.
you're in for a treat.
I know, I'm excited.
Yeah, this is one of our favorite festivals. It's just so much goodness. So many great speakers and vendors, and it's great. We love it.
I can't wait. Yeah. I'll be helping out Silver Land, so.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's cool. I've known them forever, but I just got a chance to meet them when I spoke in North Carolina, and Jason was speaking there.
Yeah.
I was just like, oh, they're good people.
They are awesome people.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Yeah.
I need to go check out their booth. Where are they?
They are right over there.
Down here?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Silver Land, right there.
Oh, yeah, I see them.
Yeah.
I see them. Yeah, I'll have to go say hi.
Awesome. Well, thank you so
Absolutely,
much. Thank you.
absolutely. I hope you enjoy your day.
Yes, definitely. All right, friends, so I'm going to be heading to my first speaker. So I'm going to be seeing Kaylee. She's going to be talking about her lovely girls, the bees. And I need to learn as much as I can because, guys, I've got a huge surprise coming to the homestead in just a few days. So let's head over there. She is in tent C. See if we can get a good spot. And we are going to learn about some bees today.
Pollination and honey are the top two answers when somebody is asked why they want to add bees to their homestead. Both are very, very vital, but I want to kind of give you just a little bit more. Sharing the little bit more is going to keep you in beekeeping. Beekeeping is challenging. There's a lot of things that you're going to face. You're going to hear a lot of people that are going to say all the negative things that are going to stop you from keeping bees. But what I want, learn the reasoning behind keeping bees, the passion. That's the one thing that I thought when learning beekeeping and talking to beekeepers and having people come to our workshops and getting hands-on, they don't teach the passion. You're going to face challenges. You're going to have colony loss. I've lost a lot, but I've also caught many colonies. And we've been able to, I think all in all, we run around 30 to 40 colonies a year. It depends, you know, sometimes you grow, sometimes you lose, sometimes you sell your bees, but my goal is to keep around 100 colonies in the future, and that's happening. We just have to grow our apiary. Thanks, husband.
All right, so we are inside Rory's tent. He is going to be speaking next, so I am excited to see what he has to say, and I'll film a little bit of what's going to happen here in this tent with him.
Planting a flag in the ground the way that our forefathers did and proving a piece of land and growing food specifically. I think it's more about planting a flag in our minds and making decisions to go our own way, to take charge and control of our lives. Decide the life that you want. As homesteaders today, we still need to know how to grow more nourishing food for our families. But I can't help but think that for most of us, it is not about just growing our food. It's about taking a path against most of the culture, choosing to find and build a more sustainable life. Now, if you've made that decision, most of us have tried to make decisions in our life and nothing has happened, then I want to encourage you to go back and look at it. Chances are you didn't actually make that decision. You're still trying to decide if you want. Because once you decide something, once you truly, truly, truly decide, everything will change. Everything will change. It just takes a decision. Now is the time. Now is the only time. It's all that any of us have. Number two, the little things are the big things. It is always the same. The big things that we think are going to change everything in our lives, they end up not doing anything. It is the tiniest, smallest things that we do that change everything.
All right, friends, so we are at day 2 of the Homestead Festival here in Tennessee, and I'm gonna go meet up with Lorraine and Jason, check out the booth. We had a huge rainstorm last night, so they had to quickly close everything up so nothing got wet. So let me go see how they're doing with getting everything set up, and then we're gonna get going with today's festivities. All right, friends, so we are now leaving the festival. It has been a long day. We're actually leaving about an hour and a half early. We have a long drive home, and it is very, very hot. Mom is exhausted, I am exhausted, and it's just time to get home, check on all the animals, call it a day. So let's head home. All right, friends, so we are home, and it is the next day. We got home about 11 o'clock last night. It was really, really dark, and we were really, really tired. So we just went ahead and brought in what we needed and called it a night and knocked out. We slept like babies. My turkeys are out. So this conference was amazing. I had a blast. I did get to see the 2 speakers. That was Kaylee and Rory Feek. Both were amazing discussions. Learned a lot. So excited I got to go and watch both those. The rest of the time I hung out with Sololand and just helped out with their booth, which went awesome. Got to meet some awesome people. I actually got to meet one of my subscribers, which was really, really awesome. So I am definitely looking forward to going again next year. Things I will do differently is I will actually get a Airbnb or a hotel within minutes of the festival, because we were an hour away. I loved that Airbnb, but it's just too far. There was a concert every single night after the festival, and we didn't get to go to either of them because we were so exhausted and so hot. So we ended up just going back to the Airbnb afterwards and resting the rest of the night. So we did get to miss out on the awesome concerts. So next year I do plan on going to the concerts and enjoying the festival to its fullest, because I will be staying close by, so I can leave, go cool off, take a shower, and come back fully refreshed. So friends, thanks for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you also went to that festival and what you thought about it. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.